Let's make cities list our container components. So create cities list folder inside the src folder and rename the cities list.js into src cities list index.js. Now let's make sure that we move all the required files as well. Move the list.css to our newly created folder and checkmark.svg. Open src cities list city-item.js. Import React and export class, because here we'll need to define some event handlers. Define the render method and return the list item from it. We are going to expect to get city from props, along with the isSelected value. Go back to cities list index.js and import our city item component. Now let's use it instead of our list item. We need to send the isSelected state. We calculated just as before by comparing current city title to city from the mapped array title, and also we need to pass the city itself.